Good morning class. This is Standard 9 Geography Motion of the Earth, Video 3. Today we are going to discuss the question answers because we have already completed the chapter, and let's begin. First question is, give any three effects of west to east rotation of the Earth. Answer is, the three effects of rotations are: first, day and night experience alternately in 24 hours. Second, the apparent movement of the sun, moon, the stars and other planets from east to west across the sky due to the rotation of the earth from west to east. Third is the time difference of 4 minutes for 1 degree longitude between different places on the earth observed due to rotation. What is meant by revolution of the earth? The annual motion of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called the revolution. Question number 3. Mention any two important combined effects of inclined axis and revolution of the earth. The length of the day and night varies from place to place. It means during summer days are longer and in winter days are shorter. Third, it results in changes of the season. Next, what is meant by rotation? Rotation is the spinning of the earth around its own axis from west to east. Next question, explain summer solstice in brief. Summer solstice takes place on 21st June. The second point, the sun rays falls directly at Tropic of Cancer. Third point, it is summer in northern hemisphere. Days are longer, nights are shorter. It is winter in the southern hemisphere. Days are shorter, nights are longer. Fourth point, 24 hours of daylight in North Pole and 24 hours of darkness in the South Pole. Now all these red mark is your keywords. So please lay stress on the keywords also. And if the question comes, explain the summer solstice, you can explain in these 4 points. Next question, explain winter solstice in brief. It is the same process. If you know summer solstice, you can write for winter solstice, easy for you all. It takes place on 22nd December. Rays of the sun falls directly on Tropic of Capricorn. It is summer in the southern hemisphere, that is days are longer, nights are shorter, and winter in the northern hemisphere, days are shorter, nights are longer. 24 hours of darkness in North Pole and 24 hours of daylight in South Pole. Next question is, distinguish between perihelion and aphelion. Perihelion, it takes place on 3rd Jan. Aphelion, it takes place on 4th July. Perihelion, when the earth is closer to the sun, it is said to be perihelion. Aphelion, when the earth is farthest from the sun, it is said to be aphelion. Perihelion, it takes 147 million kilometers. Aphelion, it takes 152 million kilometers. Next one is, distinguish between equinox and solstice. Equinox, equal day and equal night. Solstice means sun standing still. Equinox takes place on 21st March and is known as spring or vernal equinox. Solstice, it takes place on 21st June and is known as summer solstice. Equinox, it takes place on 23rd September and is known as autumnal equinox. Solstice, it takes place on 22nd December and is known as winter solstice. Equinox, the sun rays falls directly at the equator in vernal as well as autumnal equinox, whereas in solstice, in summer solstice, the sun rays falls at Tropic of Cancer, and in winter solstice, the sun rays falls at Tropic of Capricorn. Thank you, and in the next class, we are going to do the give reasoning part of it, and that will be the end of the chapter. Thank you.